Hey guys, today we have some things here. It's going to be in the upcoming videos. We're going to try to restore these items to get them working to the best of their ability. Hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. And the first thing we got here is a McDonald turntable. Pretty cool. This unit here, I can get the lid off. You can see it does 16, 33, 45, and 78 RPMs. Really cool. We'll see if we get that unit going. Next one we have is this Channel Master 8-track deck. It's pretty cool. Now some of these things I've tried to power them up and the lights will come on. It's like this turntable, the platter is seized up on it, so we're going to have to do a relubrication and get it going again. Back here we have a Sears reel-to-reel platter. That would be in the future video. I did power it up and the VU meters did come on. It probably needs new belts and such. This in here is kind of interesting. It's actually a cassette AM/FM stereo receiver. It's an Ampex brand, as you could tell. Really cool. Let me show you the back of it. I don't know the manufacture date, but when we get into the videos we will check this stuff out. Okay, and on the back of your reel-to-reel, that's a Sears Silvertone reel-to-reel there. So, stay tuned for these items, and we'll be doing one at a time coming up soon. And I have some Robbie tools. Yes, I do. Like a new router table, and how to connect your router to your handheld router to your router table, and a towel cutting saw and such. And I will get back to the subscribers that is needing more help with the Robbie miter saw. I will try to go in more depth on that video so she or he can understand. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and Happy New Year's.